I have this old lock screw here. See if we can take it apart and have a look inside. There it is there. It looks in a very poor state. So just note where everything is.
But first of all, we've got to clean it all up. So if you just note where everything is prior to taking it out. So take that spring off. This one off as well. Take it out. Take this off here. Try to note where everything is, because obviously you need to put it back together.
Check that out afterwards. Right, there's quite a lot of rubbish in there. Now you could brush it all out and then use oil to oil it up. Here, old Sonic cleaner. I'm going to use this here, distilled vinegar, the white version. Alright, so I just need to put some in. And I'm putting in about a litre. Should be sufficient. And now we're just going to put these in. Right, I'm going to have to put that in second. So put all these in first, the small pieces. We can put that screw in here. That's it. Close it up. I'm going to turn it on for half an hour. I've got all the details here. I'm going to turn it on for half an hour and then see what it's like. Half an hour. And there you go. And I'll be back in half an hour. Looks like it's working fairly well. Right, well that's about enough of that. Let me now check to see what it looks like. Here it is here. Now I thought it'd be better than that, but it's not, unfortunately. You can see let's just clean it up. Right, we'll put that in there. Give it half an hour, we turn it over, and then we'll go from there. Give it another half an hour. Right, turn it over, and we'll do the other side. Look. See, well, it's cleaned up a fair bit, but I would like to have been better than that. We'll just clean this up. So let's now put it back together. I won't grease it up yet. That part goes on first. Then we have this section here, which goes down there. We have this part, and we have also the springs that will go into there. That pushes down. That's it there. This part goes on here. new one, that probably will be the best option. Okay, well that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.